Welcome to the Making You, an accurate reflection of Christ podcast, where you become translucent glory. Now here's your host and glory teacher, Karen Pina.
Kingdom greetings. Did you do your homework? If so, you replaced one store-bought product with a homemade item. Congratulations, you are on your way to physical ascension. I'm popping in to give you 2 more ways to modify your habits and ascend. The first way is coconut milk. Coconut milk can be used in Thai curries. It can also be used in homemade smoothies. Now, if you go to the store and purchase a can of coconut milk, most often there's something called guar gum, Guargum, and other stabilizers. And sometimes those things are not good for you. They're sulfites, preservatives. So it's so easy to make your own coconut milk. You purchase a bag of unsulfured coconut flakes or shredded coconut. You take 1 cup of coconut, put it in the blender with 2 cups of filtered water, and you blitz it, and that's it. You can store it in the refrigerator for a couple of days, and you can use it right away. I use it sometimes in soups and smoothies, and sometimes even in mashed beans. It is delicious, like a bean mash. Yum, yum, yum. The next modification for you is, instead of ordering that greasy takeout pizza, call a pizza night right at home and make an alkaline-based pizza. I make a mean pan pizza with broccoli rabe and garlic and all sorts of good things. Guess what? I have links for you if you want to make some great homemade pizza. And you don't even need the cheese. There are so many ways. You can make a cashew cheese. You can also, if you're going to use cheese, all right, purchase the cheese that's in the block. Do not purchase shredded cheese because it has potato starch and it has cellulose and all sorts of things, again, that you don't need. Buy a block of cheese. You don't need the potato starch or the cellulose, and shred it right at home in your food processor. And you can also use something called Miyoko. They sell butter, they sell cream cheese, and you can use a cream cheese base. It's like a faux cream cheese. It's a vegan cream cheese. You can use that, okay, instead of regular cheese. There is a way, all right, to do this. And sometimes you might want to splurge and have cheese, but then go for great high quality raw cheese. Shred it yourself. You get the picture, all right? I just wanted to pop in, celebrate you, and give you 2 more modifications. Blessings. And until the next full episode, Karen Pina, your host, glory teacher, and ascension specialist, signing out.
Thanks for listening to today's podcast. To discuss and learn more about this episode, join your Glory community at www.gloryschoolcommunity.com. Finally, be sure to sign up for the RSS feed to know when the next episode is uploaded.